Pata. Okiki kana bugo sadi ani elu. Aka bala jija kale wu. And I just as all. Oh, my people of Igbo land. Our culture has been abandoned. Our traditions have been neglected. That is supposed to be our stronghold and formation. That is why we, the people of Jetco, bring to you this drama titled Anazes Azo. Ndibo Anazes Azo. Because we have turned our back on our customs and traditions. People now fight for the throne. That is the cause of our tribulation. That is why we have been falling by dangerous calamity. Arise, great evil people! Arise! Let us teach our children our ways and traditions. Let us know and hold up our integrity and pride. Arise, great evil people! Arise, great evil people! Arise! What is the problem with you? I've been calling against this, and what is it? Anama, I'm being hearing this. I've got to kill your brother. Kill your brother. Shit! How do you expect me to kill my own brother, the Igwe? Igwe Kaka, are you stupid? Igwe Kaka doesn't have a method, are you stupid? If you kill Igwe, you become the Igwe. Me, I don't know who. Oh! Anoma! Anoma, the bad man! If I kill the Igwe, wait. If I kill the Igwe, I'll be the Igwe. You don't know who. I never knew that poor people are intelligent. Anoma, there is a problem. I can't have the juju to kill my brother. No, somebody, let them know is always there. Hey! Let us go, now that I have found. Anoma, leave it alone, Stop! Where is Pata? Amadi? Why are you here? We are here to see the Esemwa. We are here to see your guy. Esemwa has crossed the 7 seas and 7 rivers in order to meet the gods. But I know what you have come from. Oh! You are here, Esemwa! Oh! You are here on the quest to see the next king. Oh! But the gods bless you! You are studying wisely. But can you pay the price? Against Esemwa, I will do anything once you make me the Igwe of Mibuku. My heart is strong and hard. I know. I got my life to jump. Oh, you don't get the world from my own. I don't get the world from my own. Today marks the end of you. Yes, I will make sure I will punish that someone. I will put that someone. Let us go. Igwe! Igwe! Africa! Ese mo! Alotalam! Hey! Di mo na kaya kaya mo?
Ibo kakaji wọn ndị beku na-asonye ka igwe kajikalonu a na-ata azọ ijiji keji mgbabagaba mụwazi mụ ahụla kelekiri ihe kemenu
Let's observe a minute of silence for all so. Oh, you were. My own brother. Oh, I'm broken. Mama Christ. See that I'm good. Oh. Then we're at that. The joke can never. The joke was. Because don't know why you know the joke I won you go but I be baby. Shut up with that Kellen. Run. Thank you. You honor me. I am your one and only Timothy. A brother to the electric way. Oh no, but Mariano from around no. When my brother was sick, I came down from Chicago. Okay, you made it. To see my own brother. Unfortunately, he died. But he said to tell us to peace. I declare knowledge and understanding of this village. Even though I went to the University of Chicago, where I studied accounting, in fact, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu was my president. What the my certificate is clear and original. Go and verify. You know, I have done so much for this community. Yes. And I will do more if I become the next guest.
And he, the other time, give us 5 during the period.
Hey! Thank you, my brother. I'm not going to make a mega fest. I will do more, so many for this community. I will make sure there is food for the foodless, like my brother Yoga. Odumodu, let's hear from you.
Never again. I'm Chief Engineer Odumodu, aka Engine Ajoy. I'm street light. The one and only first indigenous vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner. It is a machine that helps us to clean our house fast and easy. Ndiche, let's come here back. Can go soon. Utashe here. Euro, here. Utashe here. Rotation. If I am elected as the next leader, I will give each and every one of you this indigenous vacuum cleaner.
I don't want vacuum or vacuum cleaner. It's only make my wife taking on. Also,
used for cleaning, which means they will have enough time to help us prepare food and also help us in the other room.
If Odumodu, you have statistics, now statistics we go chop.
No!
Who statistics you have?
Oh! Listen, because what do you have to say?
Ibo. Kalem. Ibe. Kalem. Ibe. One. Ibe. Kalem. Ibe. Petolo. Ibe. We all believe that both candidates are qualified. But let us not forget that Odumodu here married a Yoruba woman. Yes! This cannot play her role as the Uganda.
Oh!
I agree with Vision. I agree with oh, you have a man who can't speak. At all. I don't blame Odumodu because they shall to hear her go back to face. I don't blame the back of on the rich.
That is why I always say for him. Okay, I come back going. Stop insulting yourselves in the front of your wives. Oh!
I see no reason why the driver of the Odumodu's wife here should be a reason here. She has been with us for 20 years and she never speaks of it.
Don't forget that this is a Barrow meeting. Different from Barrow. Let us come and greet us. Woman leader. You can come and address us on both Sade and Gladys.
What Sade and Gladys are both active members of our August committee. I don't have problems. They have to be and Sade respect the partnership of the family. Others what see one woman. Yes, that's where we made our assessment.
No problem. Let them come and greet us. Yes. Sade. Can't you see? Our wife. You cannot sit down.
Okay, it's not my turn. Ndiche,
as we can see, Niche, the both candidates we have here are qualified. So let's put it to a vote. Those in support of Chief Okeke, whatever to them. Jesus well. And those in support of Chief Odumodu. What we have here, Chief Odumodu is our elect. Okay. This is a clear case of a fellow different from Papa. I don't come and get the probation done. I don't think here are very useless. Except from my friend here, Anoma. Who is up there? Let us go.
Anoma!
Everybody is set to crown making.
How can you select an exit to election? Are we INEC?
Don't mind that.
Don't that staff there. Hey! Nekun Anumanu. Africa! It's in relation. Oshi Wolam. Nkwaweria. let's pick that authority. Oh, you be our next Igwe. Odumodu, go and pick it. Okay, go and pick the staff up. Princess! Where is your husband? Go and pick that stuff up.
You are your real fellow. Kingship Contestable.